All right, this is the AC750 dual band range extender. I bought it for 30 bucks off of Amazon to replace my $150 Almond. All right, the first thing you do is plug it in real close to your router. The lights are going to come on and then it's just going to show one solid light. Once you get that solid light, you're going to go over to your router or your modem. You're going to press the WPS button. You're going to push it in. That's going to blink. And then you're going to go back and you're going to press the WPS button on the actual range extender at the very bottom, that little triangle right there. Bam, push. Okay. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to see some blinking lights, and it's going to blink for a while, but then everything's going to go solid. Okay, so once it's all lit up, and you can see it all lit up there, it's ready to go. It's paired with your router. Now you can unplug it and take it down to wherever you want to plug it in. I plugged it in the kitchen. It takes about a half a minute or so to find your Wi-Fi, but once you see that Wi-Fi icon green and everything else is green, then you're ready to go. If it's red, you got to find a closer spot. All right, so when you look for it on your devices, it's going to show up as the name of your network, bottom slash, and then EXT or extension. And that's how you find the hookup. Now to connect it to your device, you're going to have to go into the settings and you're going to have to find it in settings, and you have to click on it, and then you're going to have to put in your network password, and then it will, bam, be ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.